Hey everyone, and by everyone I mean no one because no one's there yet. It's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I am here live in my kitchen and I am waiting for people to show up to watch the magic that I am going to be creating tonight. So far, my first viewer is Lauren Lillian. She is also my niece. She is in my kitchen with me. We are quarantining together. I'm very excited for tonight's recipe. I will tell you why in a moment. It's so simple. It's embarrassingly easy, honestly. Hey Dana, hey Mike, hey Mary, hey Monica. Thank you for being here. Tonight is sort of a retro kind of night, I have to tell you. Do you agree that it's a retro night? Lauren's eyeing the dogs because you can hear them chewing. They're chewing on their bones like maniacs, these dogs. They're not real bones, they're healthy treats, don't you worry. So tonight, you have the chance to win not one, but two of my famous paint by sticker situations. So this is the paint by sticker book I've been using up until now, Amazing Animals. I have finished those, I have a new book, but I also have Sea Creatures. Tonight, you have the chance to win. Are you ready? Are you ready? Not one, but two critters. Thank you, Erin, for mentioning my sweatshirt. I have a great story about this sweatshirt, but I'll say it in a minute. Tonight, you can win Kevin the Rockin' Red Panda, which it's really like a type of raccoon, not a bear, but Lauren tried to convince me this was a bear. And then Lauren made one, and hers is, she's clearly the one with talent, Sergio the Snake. By the way, we're back to backwards again here because Facebook had a glitch. And when I went to flip the camera, I was stretched out and I definitely looked I looked like the tall, I don't know what I looked like, but I was too stretched out. You would have thought I was trying to look thinner than I was and I couldn't have that. But so we've got Kevin the Rockin' Red Panda and we've got Sergio the Snake. He's so slithery. Lauren is super talented. She made that. Lauren, come here. Lauren's gonna come here and show you, and then we're gonna get to the recipe, don't you worry. Because the recipe is a good one, and it could not be easier. So the recipe will take like 3 minutes, I promise you. Hey Lauren, show your snake. There's Lauren, she made the snake. Oh, hi, look who's in the audience. Hi Lisa, it's your mother. Everybody, we're gonna get back to these stickers in a minute. My mom is in the audience. Hi, she says hi Nana. My mom is in the audience. Everyone say hey to Floosh. I'm gonna tell you something. This sweatshirt that I'm wearing tonight is completely retro and my mom made it. When I was in junior high school, my mom was making these sweatshirts. She was the first human being I ever met that put rhinestones on clothing and she made these and sold these for 35 bucks and I was like, no one's gonna pay $35 for a sweatshirt, Mom. They sold like hotcakes. And speaking of cakes, tonight, we are going to be making a magic crunch cake. Check this out. This is a magic crunch cake, and it's what I'm making tonight. This is caramel, crunchy, chocolate, peanut butter, coconut goodness. Jamie, thank you for saying hi to Floosh. So my mom would love to see your comments. So my brother is probably with her and will help her read them because she doesn't have the greatest eyesight. But she did have great eyesight when she made this sweatshirt. She used to make these sweatshirts every single night. I would hear the sound of her rhinestone machine. It was even before the bedazzler. She would be rhinestoning sweatshirts. She would dye the sweatshirts. This used to be white. Then she made it purple. Then she put rhinestones over it. She sewed these patches on it. Crazy, right? But look at it. You think it holds up okay? I wore this in junior high school. Okay, now, are you ready for the recipe? The reason why I'm wearing this sweatshirt that my mom made is because when I was younger, she used to eat rice cakes all the time. That was like, in my mind, that was like the diet food. Like, oh, if you want to be healthy, you eat rice cakes. I'm not saying they're the most nutritious things in the world, but they're crunchy and delicious. And these are pretty good calorie-wise, 50 calories for these caramel flavored rice cakes. And you can do so many things with them. You can break them up and put them on your yogurt. You can eat them straight as a snack, or you can make a beautiful magic crunch cake out of it, which is exactly what I'm gonna do tonight. My recipe tonight will have only 125 calories. Now remember, if you wanna win a prize tonight, you have to comment, say you wanna win the snake, say you wanna win the Rockin' Red Panda, or just tell me what your favorite retro foods are, your favorite retro desserts. Do you remember Fruit Float, a very weird dessert from Libby's in a can? Nobody probably remembers that. We'll talk more about retro foods in a minute. This, I'm starting with a caramel rice cake right there. Just gonna show you that on the plate. Now, we are gonna make a delicious drizzle, like a chocolate peanut butter drizzle, which again, could not be easier to make. I'm gonna take powdered peanut butter, which is an ingredient everybody should have in their house. If you don't have powdered peanut butter, get it immediately. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it from Instacart. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of powdered peanut butter. That's 1 teaspoon, and that's 2 teaspoons. They look like little scoops.
Jello jigglers.
Jello jigglers, good one. Yeah, that's a good retro dessert. Watch it jiggle, see it wiggle. I won't be singing anymore. All right, these are Hungry Girl measuring spoons. You know what? I'm gonna give away a set of these as well. So if you wanna win, comment, like, everything. Yes, I still have this. If you want the panda, ask for the panda. You want the spoons, ask for the spoons. You wanna tell me about your favorite retro dessert? Just tell me about your favorite retro dessert. Now we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of these mini chocolate chips. Honestly, I like using the minis. I think they go further. 2 teaspoons into your powdered peanut butter, like so. Put it in a microwave safe, very small bowl. And now we are gonna add, what do we got?
Lots of people are saying Jello.
Jello is really retro. I mean, absolutely. So now we're gonna put in a tablespoon and a half of water. A tablespoon and a half of water into your powdered peanut butter and chocolate chip situation. Tablespoon and a half.
Jamie linked the powdered peanut butter.
Oh, Jamie's the best. Jamie linked the powdered peanut butter. So we're gonna mix this now. So right now we are just mixing a little bit of powdered peanut butter in with the chocolate chips. Mom, are you still watching? There you go. First of all, I have to say, I can't believe this is the only sweatshirt that still exists from my mother's collection of sweatshirts. And I don't know how this one made the cut because I don't even like Betty Boop. I'm sorry to say, if you're a Betty Boop fan, apologies. All right, now we want to melt this mixture. So I've got the powdered peanut butter, a little bit of water, and my chips. Put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds or so, 10, 15, depending on, I have a Hello Kitty microwave, as you know, from 1999. So my microwave, it's not so talented. It takes a while. Once it's melted, wait, yes?
Jello pudding pops, a million people
Oh,
are saying that.
Jello pudding pops are the best. Come on.
Never heard of
The greatest, yes. Jello pudding pops were incredible. Okay, so now you want to stir. This is a good looking situation right here. And remember what you're winning tonight: sticker animals, spoons, the rockin' red panda, and Lauren's famous snake. Lauren she really has artistic talent. I had no idea until one day she was like, "Can I make a sticker animal?" And she blew mine out of the water. Okay, so you're gonna stir this until it looks like chocolate, delicious peanut butter goodness. It smells so good. The thing about powdered peanut butter is you can use it for so many things. You can turn it into a traditional peanut butter type of spread, or you can melt it. You could use it in smoothies. You could bake with it. You could use it instead of like traditional flour. All right, so now I've got my drizzly topping, okay? So what do we have here? We've got the caramel rice cake. We've got the delicious chocolate peanut butter drizzle, and now we are gonna do just that. How's this? Is this a good view? Mm-hmm. Can you see? Can you see? Ooh, do you see that? Can I just tell you, you're gonna feel like a chef making this nothing dessert. It's so easy, it hurts. It's so easy, it hurts, but it's so delicious. And you get a pretty big dessert, because size matters when it comes to dessert. And you get a lot for 125 calories. Now, we are not done. We are absolutely not done. Snack pack. Mary, that was a good one. Snack pack pudding was awesome. This is some shredded coconut, like angel flake. Mine is sweetened. We're gonna put a teaspoon of this, just a mere teaspoon, on top of the situation. Are you ready? I'm not giving away the shirt, Mom, don't worry. All right, I'm gonna use my hands for this, but I have it here. Could you see? Could you see? Could you see? I can't say if you could see. I wanna make sure they could see the plate. Now, I guess I'll have to do it this way. I have to be an acrobat to do this. All right, there's the coconut going on top. This is just a teaspoon, that's all you need. And a little goes a long way. It's like 10 calories for a teaspoon of this. I dropped some.
Delicious.
That is not fair that I dropped this. Okay, look at this. Do you see that? Ooh. All right, I'm gonna try this. It's after, this is the latest. I really shouldn't be eating this late, but I'm gonna take a bite anyway. Wait. I walked over 1 million steps in the month of April.
Crazy.
I am crazy. So I deserve this. Mmm! Crunchy, sweet, you could taste the caramel, the peanut butter, the chocolate, the coconut. Too good. Absolutely. To die for. Delicious, so easy. The kids would like it. This is a recipe you can make in 3 to 4 minutes if you're not with somebody who gabs forever and ever and ever like me. I'm gonna save that for later. Okay, so let me recap. I made what I call my magic crunch cake. The bottom layer of the crunch cake is a caramel rice cake. Then I melted 2 teaspoons of powdered peanut butter and 2 teaspoons of chocolate chips with a tablespoon and a half of water in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Then I mixed it up, made it all smooth and delicious, poured it over my caramel, sprinkled a little teaspoon of coconut. You have to have it. It's great. I love it. You love it. Remember, you're winning tonight. Do you know how you're gonna, wait, someone said holy cannoli. I'm gonna make cannolis. So coming up, I'm gonna be making margaritas next week. I'm gonna attempt to make an oat bake in a mug. That should be maybe this weekend for brunch. I'm gonna make a cannoli dessert. We may have some more cocktails. So we got that going for us. And you can win Lauren Sergio the snake and my Kevin the rockin' red panda. We're gonna have 3 winners tonight. 1 winner is gonna win Kevin. Someone's gonna win Sergio. Someone else is gonna win a set of Hungry Girl measuring spoons, new ones, not the ones I just stuck into my old jars of food, brand new ones.
Those
All right.
are 6 points on all 3 Weight Watchers colors.
6 points on all the rainbows. 6 points. All right, tell me more. What do you need? What questions do you have? More questions about my shirt? You want to say anything? You want to ask my mom any questions? Floosh, are you out there? I hope so. Is Floosh still out there? I hope she didn't fall asleep.
I don't know.
I don't know.
People are saying push pops, ambrosia fruit salad.
Push pops, ambrosia fruit salad. Let's talk about all our favorite retro desserts. They're gone. I miss it. I liked yodels and Twinkies. Do you know I have Twinkies in my freezer from like 2005? I have to tell you, when they said they were discontinuing Twinkies, maybe it was 2010. I don't know. We bought some and froze them, and they're still in my freezer. Okay, that is it.
Get more recipes like this.
Oh, you could sign up for daily emails at hungry-girl.com. I've been sending them every single day, Monday to Friday. For the past 16 years, you can get them by going to the website hungry-girl.com. You can also listen to the Hungry Girl podcast, which is easy to find if you go to the website. We are here for you all day, every day, and I do these lives almost every night, so I will see you very soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We will read all the comments and try to answer them. Please, please, please keep trying to win. And, oh, someone just said, Floosh, is Lisa your favorite child? She can't answer that. All right, I'm going to leave now. The answer is yes. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.